Okay, all right. Uh, I have my Google Sheet, all right, launch, and for this demonstration, okay, I created a few sheet. They don't actually have anything on it, just a form response, then some data and empty sheet. Okay, so now, okay, if you are a type of visual person in your work, you probably would like to colorize your sheet or tab. Okay, and Google Sheet actually allow you to do that. Okay, so if you want to colorize any particular tab, just click on the down arrow, all right, and you can actually change the color of that particular tab itself. Let's say I want to use red to represent that don't touch this particular sheet, then just select the red color and you will see that the tab at the bottom actually change to red. And I can do the same for other tab. For instance, I can say, all right, you can work on this tab, so I can give a green tab. Okay, and any event that you do not want it anymore, just reset it and it goes back to its original color. Right. So color coding, right, simple color coding of your tab, to make things more organized, I guess.